Hello traders, welcome to another tutorial video here on VIX 75x and VIX 10 index. So I'll be running through quick on a two or more like a two instruments to just analyze it for you guys quick. So currently here I'm into a two trade, which if you can look at the screen very well, you see that I've opened three positions already which are in profit. So I'll quick go through this VIX 75x, then I'll now show you guys a quick entry on VIX 10. So all is based on price action technical analysis, which I did this morning. So here this VIX 75x is going to be based on Fibonacci tools. I use Fibonacci tools to take this trade. So what I did here from the 4-hour time frame was bringing out my Fibonacci tool here. So this is what I did. Draw my Fibonacci from this, move to the upside here. So I was waiting to see more like if a retracement. Currently the market is retracing, so I'm waiting to see if a pullback will occur, and once a pullback occur, we expect to see maybe a bounce to the upside, which is more like I'm waiting here to catch the next swing. So this is what exactly occur here. So what I did, this is what I did here. I drawed up my Fibonacci too. So what I did was to mark out my 50 Fibonacci retracement level, which is exactly what occurred to this side here. So here, this is what I did. I analyzed the 50 retracement level, which is this level here. That is the 50 and the 61 retracement level. So after highlighting it, I just have to go back to more like the lower time frame. So I switch down to the 1 hour time frame first to check. So I'm expecting to see a bounce from this level here. So this is more like the area I'm expecting to see maybe like a change of direction or a momentum from these levels here. So this is more like my area of value. This one here stands for 61 retracement level, and this stands for the 50 retracement level. So if you look at the price currently, the market has been bouncing. The price has been bouncing from that 50 retracement level, and also you occur at the price a previous level of structure. This is what I mean, a previous level of structure, this level here. So when you go back to the past price, you realize that 50 Fibonacci retracement has been holding since. So look at this. Sorry for that. This is one level here. This is one level I'm talking about here. Here is another level the market has been respecting, which is the 50 Fibonacci retracement level so far. Here, this is another area. So when you go back to the past price, you realize that 50 Fibonacci retracement level has been holding since. So here, this is 1 hour time frame. So this also serves another confirmation, like the price has been bouncing up from that level there. So, and if you realize, I'm in a trend. I sent a pending order to that level, that side, and once the market get there, I got triggered. So I set up a pending order in this 50 this 50 Fibonacci retracement level here. Where immediately the market moved to the side, you realize I've been triggered. So since I've been triggered into a buy order here, so I've been adding position to it. So if you realize now, I've added more two positions to it, which is this one and that one. So based on Fibonacci trading strategy, I did it from the 4 hour time frame, switch to the lower time frame. So I draw my tools because here we are expecting to see the pullback occur. So here more like this is the first move, so we see a bit of retracement here. So another swing here. So what I was expecting to see another retracement, which is what is happening exactly. So bringing out those tools, I highlight this level here, which is the 50 Fibonacci retracement level, and this is the 60. So the market is currently respecting the 50 Fibonacci retracement level. So based on that, that's what I took my trade, set the pending order, and it got triggered. And since they have been adding position more to it. So that is that on that Fibonacci trading strategy, or I don't know if I should call it a strategy or more like an idea. So but currently, if you look at what the market is doing, it's currently still in more like a ranging market. So we're waiting. If I wanted to wait for more confirmation, more price action, I was waiting for this market to take out this to this trend line, which I've already drawn from here. So once the market took the trend line and retested this, I know that okay, we got more confirmation to go into this trade. But currently, based on Fibonacci, I'm already in the trade. So if I want to close it already, I should close it any level here, since the market has pushed up to that trend line here, which is this trend line here in a 30-minute time frame. So it has pushed up to that. Currently we might see a respect, or we might see maybe like a push downside. So here what I'll be doing, I'll be trading my stop loss. I'll be trailing it. So but we might see a breakout of this level, which might signal a more move to the upside. So here we still expect to see a breakout for there. So if you want to take it more, like you want to wait for more confirmation or being patient of this. So once this level has been taken up, maybe this level has been breaking, then you wait to see a retest, then you jump in. So currently this one is based on Fibonacci level, which is more the 60 and the 61 and the 50. So the market has been respecting the 50 Fibonacci retracement level. So that is that. So let me go back to show you what I did on VIX 10 index here. Also, this one is on profit already, just based on price action. You look at what the market is doing. This one I said they were pending order already on one account. More like this is another account. So there's a pending order, which I say buy pending order on one of my accounts. So currently this one was based on, I think I did it from the 1 hour time frame. Having a bit of network issue here. Be patient with me, guys. Okay. So this is what I'm expecting here. So currently, if you look at what the market did here, there was a level here. The market respect this level, it started falling. So down here also there's another level here. So when you come down to this side, when you move to the downside, I'm still seeing a level to the downside. I'm seeing another level here. So if this market is pushing down to this level, I'm supposed to see something more like on a 1 hour time frame, something like a lower low, or maybe a break of structure, to take the market downward to that side. So switching down to the 1 hour time frame, today is Sunday and I didn't go to church. I pray God forgive me for that. So we're switching down to this 1 hour time frame here. So this is what I was seeing in the market here that made me jump into this trade. You currently see more like a level of structure that was breaking to the downside here. This structure, more you look at what the market has been doing, it's failed to make another higher high. So we realized to see that there was a break to this downside. I was watching when this break occurred. So to me, I was waiting to market to retrace back to this thing more like an order block here to respect and started falling. So you realize when I took the sell, I was supposed to see something like a break occur here. So I'm supposed to see a pushback to respect this level here, which was the market did. So once I saw what I was expecting, I just jumped in already and placed a sell trade. So exactly what I was expecting. It pushed to this side, it pushed to this side, and so I started selling. I took a sales trade immediately. So now the same scenario also occur, but when this one occur, I was watching it on, I think on a 1 hour time frame also. But what happened here? The market respected more like a level on the 30 or 15 minutes. This is a 15-minute chart. The market respected some level there on a 15-minute and 30-minute time frame. So this is when the market respected something here. The market respected this level here. Like this is more like the market. This is what here I took the sell trade. So you realize that the market, after a bit of pushing, it kind of maybe want to take me out, but it keep pushing up, and eventually there was a push down. So I was also waiting to see something like that to occur from this level here. We realized that here the market has been, this level here has been violated, it has been taken out. So I'm supposed to see there's a breakout occur here. So I'm supposed to see a push up to this side to respect this candle here, this level here, which is exactly what occurred. So once I saw that, I jumped also on the trade. So you realize the market now has been falling, and you realize that I've been in profit since. I'm on profit already. So that is that on that. From 1 hour time frame, I'm supposed to see a break and retest, which is what occurred respect to that level, and I took the trade. There was a breakout here, retest that level, which is the more pattern or way I analyze it. From what made me took this trade is the same scenario which I expected to play out, and exactly what has been going on. So currently now, I'm expected to see if this market will, I'm supposed to see if this market will push to the level I'm seeing on a 4 hour time frame, which is this level here. So let's see if this level here on 4-hour time frame is where the market respects now, which is this level here. Okay, this is another. This is the last level I'm expecting here. It currently is this level here. I'm seeing if the market will push down to this side. So on here, I set up a buy pending under here on the other my account. So that one is going to be what I'll be monitoring now. So here I'm expecting to see if this market can push to this downside here. So once the market gets to this level here, I'm seeing if there will be another maybe a rejection or respect to that level and started pushing. And also, by the way, I checked on US dollar index, which is DXY, and what I'm seeing on it seems to be a bit interesting. More like the market is currently on a level of structure, or more like a level the market has been respecting. As I'm talking about the dollar index. So currently now we don't see, you might see a breakout from that level, or we might see a continuation, but on a daily time frame the market has been consolidating, more like that's from a double top on that level already. So if you're a currency trader, I trade anything, just apply technical analysis, more like price action. But based on that one and that side, I also check the commitment of trader to see if there will be a changes in the commitment of trader. Then, and also I checked on the fundamental. There are some news to be released on US this week, which is like the consumer price index, and they call CPI. So if you're a currency trader, those are the things you should be looking at. But though I haven't done my proper analysis, so this is just a quick one. And if you're a currency trader, you love trading, keep that on your watch list. You might see a break up to the upside, or might see more like a bounce to the downside. But currently, the market has formed a double top on that level. So let's wait and see how this week will play out. So thanks, guys. If you love what you see, hit the subscribe button, share, comment, and like.